How much I want to get?
A Senton man was gunned down at his home in Beecher Street, Golden Grove on Wednesday. The deceased has been identified as 22-year-old Calvin Francis, otherwise called Frederick, a mining attendant. Police report that Francis was shot and killed by gunmen while at his gate around 8:10 p.m. The lawmen say residents heard explosions and summoned them. When they arrived at the scene, Francis was found at the entrance to his yard with gunshot wounds. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Police have not theorized a motive for the killing. A bus with a number of passengers, including students, has gone over a gully at a section of Long Hill in St. James. Emergency team were currently trying to rescue the passengers from the bus, which plies the Cambridge to Montego Bay route. The rescue efforts on the way Thursday afternoon are reportedly being impacted by heavy rainfall. Meanwhile, the police are advising motorists to avoid the Reading to Anchovy Main Road in the parish as the road is impassable due to motor vehicle crash. Gunmen reportedly made an attack on the life of a school principal on Sunrise Crescent off Reddit's Road in St. Andrew on Thursday morning. The principal of St. Richard's Early Childhood Education Center was reportedly on her way to school when the attack happened. Head of the St. Andrew North Police Division, Superintendent Shakira Service, said the incident occurred around 6 a.m. It is understood that two gunmen pulled up on motorcycle beside the vehicle she was in and fired several shots. We believe the principal was the target, Superintendent Service told Observer Online. She nor the other occupants in the car were injured. Service declined to give further details, saying the investigations were ongoing. Information reaching Observer Online is that classes at the Early Childhood Center and St. Richard's Primary, which share the same property, have been dismissed for the day due to the incident.